First, I add a packet of Arnott's mint slice biscuits, a packet of Arnott's Choc Ripple biscuits, 2 peppermint crisp chocolate bars, and some shredded coconut into my food processor. I pulse this until all those ingredients become finely ground. To this, I then add 1 can of condensed milk and give all these ingredients a thorough stir. Once all these ingredients have come together, use a teaspoon to roll the mixture into little balls. In a separate dish, add some desiccated coconut to toss the balls and coat them in the coconut. Then store them in a container in the fridge and they're ready to eat.